Get away from him.
He dropped it. What? Hold your stick out.
See, look at me. I already have one bird on me.
Oh, I got one. He's eating this. Oh, I got two. Look, my baby got birds.
I got one. Hey, you're fighting over me right now. I got three.
Baby girl. Look, I got him. Pretty cool.
The birds are heavy. I got one.
They done went ham on mine.
I got one. That's a four.
No, that's it.
No, don't take my stick. I was trying to get the bird on you.
Hey, no birdie.
I don't have any more. Look. They nibbled mine down to the brim.
I got it. Mama, look at my birdie.
Once it's gone, then y'all throw it in the trash can. Do not throw it on the
Pick that up and throw it in the trash can, please.
Whose stick is this? Dora's?
Boy, they go ham on that. He took. Hey, look, he took the stick.
Oh, God.
I like the blue one.
Where to God? Where to God that bird just swam? Oh, my God. Oh, God.
No, you dropped it, girl.
Mama, I didn't scream. Mama. I didn't scream.
He said, get off my stick.
I said the budget. I just got the blood.
Zora's a scary cat.
Oh God, don't lean on my finger.
They about got
I don't want to fight you. Hey, birdie. I want to pet one. No, you can't pet one. They will run. I should have went back there.
Just pick the stick up. No, you can't have the stick.
Yeah, can I have the stick?
We were just feeding other birds.
Whoa, Mama. I'm going to grab one. Oh, God. Let's grab one.
We were just feeding other birds. Look at this bird.
The feather.
She found a feather, a bird feather. You want to keep it?
Yeah.
You can keep it.
We don't have no more, baby.
Look, it's over there. Look.
Yeah, I'm not.
I'm gonna grab one.
What you trying for? We don't have no more food. That's why they're not coming.